Hello everyone, this is Lolly and you're watching Day 8 of Hacktoberfest 2021. As you can see, I made a bit of progress with our little level that we have been tailoring for the past few days, and I'm happy to say that I have managed to hook up some more textures, and I utilized this random wood and some random gravel on the floor. If you listen carefully, these different tiles have different sounds when you walk on them, and actually I didn't even had to calibrate any flags and binary values or types for these textures because their properties, their sounds are actually read from their file name. So if I would to rename this to, I don't know what's the name of this, maybe it's human_wood.bmp to human_stone.bmp, then that would change this to emit the sounds of a stone slab. I have added a little door just for fun. Some stupid scripts to make sure that I spawn a chicken and Gru plays his wonderful music, and if I open the door now, then it just opens up, which indicates that the door doesn't really conform to my 100x100 grid system. Also, we need to add some lighting to the level because, as you can see, even though the walls are lit, the door isn't receiving any of that because we don't have any hidden light objects. So this is another thing that needs calibrating. Okay, just shut up. Another thing is that I tried to add the skybox. I found this hideous looking sky texture. It is actually called sky in its file name. And I tried to imitate some distance from the walls. If I move far enough, then you can see the trick. It actually is just a rather large polygon. And if I increase the size even further, then we start to see some artifacts like this shadow in the middle, and it even gets worse if I enlarge this one giant polygon above us. And also if I open this little door, then you can see the end of this sky tile. Alright, one new issue that I encountered and I don't really know how to fix at the moment is... Let me just start a new game. Watch where I land when I spawn in the game. I'm not going to move the mouse. I'm trying to jump and get higher, but I cannot. And if I move back a bit or forward, then my coordinates on the y-axis change. Like I'm sinking in the gravel or something like that. I tried changing the coordinates, and even if I spawn a bit higher up and fall down to the floor or land on any other different textures, like it's not specific to this gravel thing, then I sink like 20 or 30 units down into the floor. I need to figure out why that is happening. Alright guys, I think this is it. Nothing more to mention regarding this level. I'm going to start and move all this data that I'm generating, or at least the code, and create a room definition from this and probably start creating sorry about that, and try to create some corridors and any stuff that we can join together. Very good idea for a video. And another thing that I made so far is I have uploaded my little generator script to GitHub. I will link that into the description so you guys can check it out. I will try to create a thing that you guys can also try out and generate levels with this, but at the moment it wouldn't make sense because it's just this one room and it's not really interesting. So I will keep you guys updated and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye bye!